Good day everyone, we are Group C and we're going to discuss our performance task 3, electro-pneumatic switches. Question number 1. In step 5 to 8, which lamps are on when power supply switch on? The lamps on when power supply switch on are indicator lamps 1 and 2.
Question 2. In step 5 to 8, which lamps are on and off after pressing push buttons? When the push buttons are pressed, the 3 and 4, lamp 3 and 4 will on and 1 and 2 are turned off.
Question number 3. In step 5 to 8, which lamps are on and off after releasing push button? After releasing the push button, lamps, indicator lamp 1 and 4 will stay turned on and indicator lamp 2 and 3 will turn off.
Question 4. In step 9, which lamp retain on and off when maintained or mechanically latched is pressed and released? When we press mechanically latch, 2 will turn on and 4 is off.
Question 5. In steps 12 to 21, what is the position of the actuator when push button was pressed? So the position of the actuator when the push button was pressed is extended.
Question number 6. In step 12 to 21, what is the position of actuator when push button was released? When the push button was released, the actuator will retract.
Question number 7. In step 12 to 21, lamp is on and off when actuator is in extend position. When the actuator is in extend position, the lamp 1 is on and the lamp 2 is off.
In step 23 to 27, what happened to actuator when push button was pressed? Actuator will extend.
In step 23 to 27, what happened to actuator when push button was released? In step 23 to 27, when the push button is released, actuator will retract.